Let's also break down these details for our viewers. Puja's mother, Manorama Khedkar, has now been taken to the local court. Remember, the Pune Rural Police had arrested Manorama Khedkar, the mother of the controversial probationary IS officer Puja Khedkar, in connection with an offence that was lodged for allegedly threatening farmers at gunpoint. In fact, Times Now has also played out that video where she was seen with a pistol in hand. She allegedly threatened the farmers, and Manorama was detained from the Mahad area in Raigad district. She has now been taken to the court. My colleague Nilesh is joining us with the details. Nilesh, this is a video that dates back to several months. It was from last year. Case was registered against her. Now, finally, law catching up with the Khedkar family with the mother's arrest. She has now been produced in court. What's expected?
Well, absolutely. Law is catching the Khedkar family, and this grip is getting tighter and tighter every day. Giving a big update to our viewers, the accused, that is Manorama Khedkar, has been produced to the Pune court, and the argument is underway. What our colleague Srishti is giving out to us is that Section 307 has been added by the Pune police, and as per argument, Pune police has demanded a 7-day police custody of Manorama Khedkar. The police in its argument has mentioned that Manorama has a strong political and economical influential background which needs to be investigated, and various videos are surfaced in relation to Manorama Khedkar which are under investigation of Pune police, and there are high chances that the complainant can be pressurized, and hence Pune police has demanded a 7-day police custody. And now remember, there are in total 7 people who have been made accused into this threatening and flaunting gun case, and it is just only one arrest. The prime accused has been arrested, that is mother Manorama Khedkar. Police is still searching out for his husband, that is Dilip Khedkar, who is also under charges of anti-corruption activities, misusing of his position while he was part of the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board. So there are a lot of development which will be happening into this case. The biggest development comes in with the arrest of the mother of Puja Khedkar, that is Manorama Khedkar, which happened early hours of today morning. So the arguments are underway. We are keeping a close tab of what comes from the court. So as we mentioned, that the action is being taken with respect to all of those controversies that Times Now highlighted since numerous days, and it is a big impact of Time Network that action is being taken on all of those issues, all of those videos which was brought to light by Times Network.
Absolutely. And Arunil, we have also highlighted, of course, the details of Puja Khedkar herself, her mother now being produced in court. We are keeping a tab on what's expected there. Her father, a lookout notice also being issued for him. The police officials are looking out for Puja Khedkar's father as well. So take us through the details of what's happening in the Puja case, as well as the details of the police officials are also looking for Puja Khedkar's father.
Well, that is right. Now, with respect to the Puja Khedkar case, she was basically expected to reach the Pune CP office as well. She had filed a complaint against the Pune collector. Now, basically, her services as a trainee IS officer in the Maharashtra government have been temporarily discontinued now, and also the disabled body of Maharashtra government, disabled welfare body, beg your pardon, that has basically initiated an investigation against Puja Khedkar. Several such investigations have been initiated against Puja Khedkar. We have also seen that how the Ahmednagar collector had sought a report of the income tax from the income tax department related to the Khedkar family. Puja Khedkar basically had shown that she is from the non-creamier background. However, her father's assets, which amounted to more than rupees 40 crore, in his own election affidavit, clearly contradicted that. Till now, Times Now's team, which has been investigating this case, Pratibha, since the last 8 days, we basically have produced more than 10 documental evidences which basically establishes that allegedly Puja Khedkar had played around with her disability documents, because clearly it was evident when we compared the two documents. The age was being defrauded, the name was changed, the address was changed, everything was being done to basically ensure that the disability percentage of Puja Khedkar increased and the cutoff mark subsequently reduced. With respect to the wealth as well that was being shown, several such evidences are being shown by us. With respect to the family is concerned, Puja Khedkar's mother, Manorama, also becomes very significant over here because it clearly showcases the entitlement status that the family is been vying for. They have been behaving in a way that just because they have power, just because they have political connections, they can go to any length to achieve what they want. Just because the mother feels that a certain land needs to be grabbed by her, she enters that land illegally with the help of bouncers, starts brandishing guns on the poor farmers. In fact, according to the farmers, they held one farmer on gunpoint as well. Later on, she could be seen threatening metro officials also who were on duty. It is extremely shocking, and that's why it is important to highlight this.